Hello, good evening, dear friends. Wanted to give you like a quick guided tour to the SharePoint sites that Darcy has been the proud project manager for. So here we have, as you can see on the homepage, once you sign in and the access ID has been provided by Darcy, you can look in the email which I'm about to send to you and look towards the end. You will see your email, you will see your SharePoint login as well as the password. These are the ones which Kay has given to me, and if your login and password are not there, please contact Darcy in the email text. Her name is also an actual live link to her email ID. Okay, so here's the home page for our SharePoint, and what you can see here is the workspace. So this particular workspace is for the board meeting. That is not where we place our meeting minutes or agenda. That's the place, for example, if you click on it, you will see that the workspace has some documents. And here's a text file. It's a README file. It describes what the board meeting workspace is. And for the actual meeting, the board meetings that we have, the upcoming one is April 1st. So this is March 2014, and the first Tuesday of April is April 1st. So if you click on this meeting here, and you will be able to see that it's an event, right? So calendar tools event. Darcy showed me this yesterday. And then if you say you can edit the event, and if you want to edit the entire series of meetings, here you have, it's a meeting. It can take place in my house, or it's over the go-to meeting, and here's the calling information. Dr. Zhang Zhao wrote a workflow this weekend. Many thanks to him. That will actually cause the SharePoint to send out email reminders to all the people who have been added as attendees, as individuals for this meeting. So, and here's the workspace. So take a look. The workspace for the April 1st meeting, it's here. And this is where we have the meeting notes from Keith for the March board meeting, and also for the proposed meeting agenda for April 1st. Nazi has already made an update to it. Okay, so that's how we take care of that. And the work still needs to be done to add all the people who will actually physically attend this meeting. So the reminders will actually be sent to these people. So as you can see, it's not complete. We don't have Zhang Zhao, we don't have Sam Nushin here, we don't have Assad here, we don't have the trustees here. So that work still needs to be done. Usually this is not a task for the president, but since we are trying to get this SharePoint up once and for all for everybody to use, that's why I'm doing it. So hopefully this will be behind us very soon. So let's come back to the site action. Let's go back to the SharePoint site again. Okay, so this is again the home page. So if we come down to the meeting again, you click on the meeting, and you can edit the series. So the series of meeting basically says it starts from 7, ends by 8 p.m., 8:10. We're not trying to really be so rigid about how many minutes, but based on what some trustees said, what Ida said, many thanks to her for taking the time to share the tradition that we have. Basically, the board meeting is mainly for the items that we need to vote on. But in addition to that, we are proposing that each person will have 6 minutes to either vote on the items they need to vote on, or to give an overall status. All the other details and the meetings and the issues are to be discussed one-on-one offline during the month. It is not the place where 2-3 people talk about things in detail while all the other people are listening in. It's a waste of time, according to corporate America. So this is a repeating event that occurs the first Tuesday of every month, and it will not end, so you can continue into next year when Kay is the president. So here's a workspace for the meeting and so on. So this is for the entire series of meeting, right? And the attendee should be entered here. So that will be done in my more spare time, right? So right now I don't have any spare time. I barely was able to get this through. And I know Dr. Zhang Zhao and Darcy, they all work very hard and spend hours on this beautiful weekend. And I also know Nazi helped to try out this SharePoint site. Carl has been working hard, as he has been the last couple of months, like a fiend, working really, really hard. So that's it. So any questions that you have, please take a look at this email. I will put Darcy's email ID here, so please contact her. And that's it. Thank you so much. Have a great evening and a great week, and thank you so much for all your time, and let's stay focused and continue the legacy of excellence in how we do things. Thank you so much. Bye.